In today's video, we'll see the recipe of an Eggless Mango Malai Cake. It is a soft and spongy cake with a layer of mango malai on top. To make the eggless cake, add some curd or yogurt to a bowl, followed by some refined oil, also some condensed milk. If you do not have it, you can also add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Give this a good mix until the mixture is well combined. Now we will sift in the dry ingredients. Add in all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda. And sift it. Incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. I will also add in some milk to loosen up the batter a bit. Add in some vanilla extract for the flavor. Instead of milk, you may also choose to add 1/2 cup of mango pulp for that added flavor. The cake batter is now ready. We will grease a baking tray with some oil or butter. Transfer the cake batter and level it up. We will now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Next step is to prepare the mango malai. In this recipe, I am using Alphonso Mangoes, but you may use any other variety as well. Alphonso gives a very nice flavor and color to this cake. Next, we are gonna separate out the flesh from the skin. We will then grind it to make a fine paste. The cake is ready. We will cool it on a wire rack. Using a fork, I'm gonna prick the top of the cake. I have taken 1/2 cup of boiled milk, to which I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of the mango pulp. We are gonna basically mix this well and pour it on top of the cake. We will then refrigerate it for 30 minutes so that the cake absorbs all of the milk. Now coming to the final step of making the mango malai, I'm gonna pour in some milk into a pan, followed by some condensed milk. You can even add sugar instead. Give this a good mix and let this come to a boil. You may also add in some fresh cream for more flavor. So after about 5 to 7 minutes, when the cream has started collecting on the sides, we will add in the mango puree to this. Now set the flame on medium and continue mixing it. Mix this for another 5 more minutes until the mixture becomes thick, and then turn off the flame. Remove the cake from the refrigerator. Also allow the mango malai to come down to room temperature. After that, we will spread the mango malai on top of the cake. Spread it evenly with a spoon or a spatula. And finally, to garnish the cake, I'm going to use some chopped nuts. Also some dried rose petals, but it is completely optional. You can also garnish the cake with some fresh mango pieces. The mango malai cake is now ready. It tastes best when it is served chilled. I'll just cut out a slice to show you how spongy the cake is. The cake has turned out super soft, and it also looks beautiful with the mango malai layer on top. I have some leftover mango milk. I'm gonna pour this around the cake slice. So with every bite you get to taste the mango malai and also feel the texture of the cake, which is super soft and spongy. So do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe and watch more interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.